Hey Carlos, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. I've found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of things that they can start doing to impact their business for free has resulted in a lot of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I give you today and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to talk about today is content. Content's one of the easiest ways to help get your company ranked up on Google and to start bringing in more business. So I went ahead and I took your URL here and I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quake that I use. And as we can see, you have 533 total words. Now, Google algorithms show that you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on that home page to start ranking your company and your website up on Google. So right out of the gate, one thing you could do is you could go ahead and add 1,000 words on your homepage, and that'll start helping out. I also ran your top competitor. So when I looked up Brick Pavers Tampa, and I clicked on the first competitor right here, Tampa Brick Pavers, I took theirs, and I also ran an SEO Quake. Now you can see they only have 332 words, which is less than yours. So you might be asking, how are they ranking higher than me? Well, that's going to go ahead and lead me right into my second point, which is going to be keywords. So when we go ahead and we type in on Google, the first thing we see are ads, or anybody who's got ads on there, as well as the map pack. But what we want to focus on right now is the organic listing. So these are the lists of how Google ranks it organically. And what prompts this are keywords. So looking here, their keywords are Tampa, Brick, Pavers, and Standard, right? And this is how many times they use it in their front page or their home page. Now, the way it works is basically if I look up Brick Pavers Tampa like I did, Google's algorithms go ahead and look and they see the context of how they're using it and make sure that they match the customer using Google with what they're searching for. So I was looking for Brick Pavers Tampa. Those keywords are prevalent, so that's why they populated first. On the topic of keywords, let's just see how often that's searched. So the keywords Brick Pavers, 22,000. Brick setting, 22,000. Paver installation, 9,000. Brick prices. As you can see right here is over 50,000 searches a month. Think of the amount of customers you could be missing out on, because studies have shown that top 85% of people don't go past the top 10 companies to search for a service. And your company was actually on like the 9th page. So no one is going to be scrolling that far back. So that's how important these keywords are in the content. Lastly, I want to discuss backlinks. So what backlinks are, or what give your site link juice. So a backlink is simply another website referring to your website. Now what's important about these backlinks is not only how many you have, but how good and strong they are. So for example, if you have Pizza Hut referring to you as a brick paving company or a paver laying company, it doesn't hold as much weight because you're not a pizza company. But if you had like Home Depot or Brick Pavers of America linking to you, it'd hold a lot more weight. So this is your competitor. They have 59 backlinks with a DR of 8 and a UR of 16. I also ran your company. You have 1 backlink with a DR and you're not even populating a UR. So what this is telling me is that, or what I would suggest is that you build up those backlinks, and that would be one thing if I worked for you, what I would do is start building your backlinks, build up that content, build up that keyword, and start getting you ranked highly in the top of Google. So in closing, what we went over today is content. Wanted to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage and about 750 words on each subsequent page. Secondly, we discussed the importance of keywords, and we looked at how many searches are going for the keywords that you should have on your website to help trigger Google to show these people searching for these things your company's website first. Lastly, we talked about the importance of backlinks and how getting this DR and this UR, these are basically what Google drives their searches for to show that you're a trustworthy site that people should be using. So what's next, you might be asking? Well, You can take all of this stuff that we discussed today and the strategies and implement them yourself, and I'm totally okay with that. I'm all about local businesses growing and doing better. However, if you want the more easy and effective route and you want to see what else I have to offer your business in promoting it and growing your customer base, go ahead and reach out at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and you can reach me at 813-515-3488. I look forward to talking to you, and have a great day.